Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, man. And you see this car right here? That's my dream car right here, bro. The NA1 NSX, that's my dream car. And I'm trying to really get this car, bro. Like right now, I'm on Bring Trailer and there's one right here. I'm trying to buy, man. Right now, the current bid is at $45,000 one day to go. So wish your boy luck, man. Hopefully this car doesn't go over $55,000. But the goal is to get my dream car, bro. I feel like I've been putting a long way for this dream, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, back to the actual title that y'all can see. So I bought a very rare Honda rims that back in the days, back when I was in high school, this was the rims to get. This was the rims to have. Like before people won RPF ones or whatever, this was the rims to have. So your boy finally found one, a good set. I picked it up. It was like an hour away. You know, I'm in Miami, but the guy was in Broward. But I picked it up and it's outside. So let me go show you guys the rims that I got for the EK Hatch. All right, so we outside, right? And I'm about to introduce y'all the legendary rims. So this is the last time that y'all gonna see the EK Hatch on regular Steelers. So it's time to show y'all the legendary rims that everybody back in the days always wanted for their Honda, especially if you had a Honda. No more wait. 3, 2, 1, bam. Your boy finally got some GSR blades. Yeah, man. I remember back in high school, everybody wanted to have GSR blades, man. Everybody. I mean, even when I had my first car, which was an Acura Integra, I never was able to get GSR blades, man. So I was looking on Facebook Marketplace. Man, I seen a couple of them go for $800, $900, man. But I was able to pick this up at a good price and already come with tires on it. And good fella, man. He's actually building a B20 Integra at his house. So he didn't want these rims anymore, but your boy picked them up. So we're gonna try to put this on this and see how it looks. So this is the last time y'all gonna see this car on Steelers. These look like they're pretty good tires when I bought the car. So I'm not gonna like sell the Steelers. I'm just gonna keep them in the garage just in case that, you know, I have a flat or whatever, or I need to put on a tire. So I ain't just gonna get rid of them. But yeah, man, I'm definitely excited about these damn GSR. So they're pretty chipped up, right? If we look at the condition of it, right, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, it's not in the best condition. You know what I'm saying? Like chipped everywhere, whatever. But this is my goal. My goal is whenever I decide to go get the car touched up paint-wise, I'm gonna have whoever touch up the rims, you know what I'm saying? So whenever I decide to go do body work and bring it to a paint shop, I'm gonna get them to redo the rims for me. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it white. I might change the color. We don't know yet, but so far, I'm definitely excited. Let's start putting these things on and we can see how the car look. Man, pretty good time to test out this jack. My wife gave it to me for my birthday last year and I actually never used it, bro. So I'm gonna see if we could jack this car up. I think this is one of those electric jacks. I never even opened this. I'm so bad. So we're gonna open this together. See how this looks. So it's like electric jack, like I said. Wow. Anyway, let me go read this instruction right quick. We can set this up. All right, so this is electric jack that gotta be plugged into the cigarette lighter or something like that. But it's all right though. We're gonna start with the back tire. We gonna see what we could do, and we could jack this damn car up and see we could replace one of the damn tires just to see how it looks. All right, y'all, so it's finally on. Look at that, bro. That's so clean, man. Yeah, so one thing now that I notice, now that I'm seeing it, these drum discs, I gotta replace it, bro. I gotta go four-wheel disc, bro. It is what it is, bro. So now I gotta go order a rear disc kit for this car because I don't like seeing drums, bro. But so far, what you guys think about it, man? What y'all think about it, huh? Pretty cool, man. Look pretty sexy. So I'm gonna do the front side for now. It's hot as hell out here. So I'm gonna do the front side for now, and then later in the afternoon, I'm gonna do the other side. But for right now, I'm gonna put this side on first so we could get at least one side done. We could just keep it moving. Hey, look at this. Just look at this, right? This brand new technology still getting beaten by this old manual technology. So this car was a little bit too low in the front, so I'm using just the regular old school jack to get it done. You see y'all, technology ain't everything. You hear that, AI? You hear that? Bro, one side is finally on. Look at that. Woo, that looks sexy, man. Yeah, he got a lot of gap and the fit ain't perfect, but it's already looking sexy for me. Woo, my God, it's hot out here. Man, I know I just said I was gonna do one side because the sun is hot as hell, but you know what? Seeing the other side completely done motivated me to finish this off. So I'm just gonna put on these last two, bro, and we're gonna run it, dog. Screw it, one more time lapse. Man, I just want to know who idea was this to come out here and do this goddamn tire switch in the middle of the day. Bro, 94 degrees, dog. I'm tripping. 94, I almost died, bro. I dropped like 2 bottles of water. I had to take so much stops. My camera overheat. This camera right here overheated on me because it was so hot. But your boy is officially done. You know what I'm saying? We done, man. Like, for real, we good now, man. We good in the hood, bro. Look at that, dog. It's finally there, man. But let me go ahead and move the car right quick so we can get a much better shot. Take it for a little ride right quick. Make sure everything feels good. Everything feels good, dog. Yeah. I don't know, guys. So since I kind of gave up on making this car a K series, I might go B. I actually might go B, man. Let me know in the comments. What y'all think? I might go B series. I'm thinking maybe just buy myself like a crash integra or something for the auction. That way I have like a full donor car. Put a B series in here. And that's about it, really. Yeah, kinda. If I get the B series, I might go turbo too. So I don't know. I don't know where I'm going, but definitely not going K. I still think it's cheaper for me to buy an actual 8 Gen Civic again. I did have one, and I feel like it's so much more cheaper and more efficient to buy a K series, especially someone like me that don't really know how to do like a full K swap. Like, I'm gonna be paying like $2,500 to $3,000 in labor. Bro, you could pick up a case, like you could pick up an 8 Gen right now for like 5 stacks, bro. 5 stacks could put you in the 8 Gen. Or you could pay like $8,000 to try to K swap this hatch, but so much better, dog. Plus the body way more designed for the K swap. So I'm not knocking nobody that does this, but like for me, I work too much. I don't have the space or the knowledge to do a K swap. I'm not spending $8,000 to $11,000. You know what I'm saying? It's way more easier just to get an 8 Gen and go from there. But I might go B series. I might go B. I don't know. I might go B. All right, guys, and look, it's finally complete. GSR braids on the hatch. Yo, you gotta love these blades, bro. Yeah, man, we're taking it back old school, taking it back to the 90s. What you guys think about it, man? It looked pretty good to me. I love the look.
I kind of like the white rims. I don't know. Like I said, I might change the color later on when I finally do some body work. I might get these rims retouched or even repainted. I don't know. But it looks so clean, bro. GSR Blaze looks so clean on the hatch, man. What y'all think, man? Put it down in the comment. Yeah, man. Woo, hot as hell outside, man. It's like 95 degrees now, almost 96. But, man, look at this baby, bro. A little clean. Like I said, it's rubbing in the front just a little bit, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna put on new tires and everything like that. But like I said, man, I'm really serious about doing the all-wheel disc brake. So now we gotta order the disc brake because I don't want to see no drums in the back. I don't like that drum look. And we're just gonna redo the car piece by piece, man. And like I said, I don't know. I might do B series. I might do B series. I don't know yet. But definitely, if I'm gonna go K series, I will buy another 8 gen for the channel and not do an 8 gen with this. Kind of want to keep this old school 90s feel, and I feel like once you go K, it kind of loses the touch of being a real 90s Hondas. So the only way to keep that is probably go B series, and that's about it. Let's see what I can find. Hopefully I can find me, you know, a B16. That'd be cool. But a regular B18 or B20 would do it. But definitely, man, super excited. Let me guys know in the comments what you guys think. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, man, and hit that hype button, man. Get me up there, bro. But anyway, whew, loving this right here. Let me repark the car right quick. Hot, bro.